Hey everyone, today I have a very fun video for you all. I have some nail art items from a new brand that's releasing here in the United States. Now they're not a new brand, like they are originally from Bogota, Colombia, and this is La Cosedora, or Cosedora. I really hope I'm saying that right. H La Cosedora, and the story of this is a nail blogger from Instagram, and her Instagram blew up, and she loves nail stamping. She loves doing nail art, and she decided to create her own stamping plates. And they are special stamping plates. They are acrylic stamping plates. So I'm going to go ahead and show you one of the kits that you can purchase. Now these will be available to purchase on, I do believe tomorrow is when they are starting to go for pre-order. If I'm not right, then I will leave a caption down below saying the exact date. But I'm going to go ahead and show you the kit that you get, or that you can get. And this is so fun. It comes with a bag so you can hold all your stuff in it. Let's see, yeah. And you get to pick out the nail polishes, the stamping plates. Now there's different types of kits. You can pick kits that have a bunch of stamping plates and a bunch of stamping polishes, or you can just do stamping plates. It's just whatever you pick out. Now I chose, she allowed me to choose 3 nail stamping polishes, and here are the stamping polishes right here. And I have tested these out. I'm going to show you on camera how well they do, but these work so well. I got the white, I got a hot pink, and I got a very pretty and vibrant purple. And also the kit came with a stamper and scraper, and I'm going to show you those really quick. Here is the scraper. And here is the stamper. Now I did test out the stamper, and the stamper works amazing. There was no priming or washing or anything like that needed. It is super clear, and it works great. Now I don't know if all the kits are going to come with these 2 things. You cannot clean the plates with acetone. Pure acetone. You need to use non-acetone nail polish remover to clean your plates, just because they are acrylic. This is a cleaner that she is testing. I don't believe she will have this for sale in the shop. This is just a test thing that she put in here for me to use to clean the plates. And then this is just some tape to clean off the stamper, and some cotton to wipe off the plates with. So now we're going to go ahead and get into the stamping plates. I was allowed to pick out 2. Or she said I could pick out 2 to share with you all. And the first one is, which one is this? Oh, this is the Douro E Patricio, and this is so cute, you guys. This is cute. It's got little kitty cats all on it. Let me get closer. It is adorable. And these plates are really cool. Like the back of it is kind of translucent, and you have like this zebra print type thing. But it's so cool. These plates are the first time I ever played with acrylic plates. Now I did an Instagram live sharing these, and someone said that Cece and Sissy, they do have acrylic plates. This one is called Cool in the Pool, and this one has a bunch of fun, I'm going to start from the bottom. Fun images. This will be really good for summer and spring. I just love the little camera. It's got little cacti, and my tripod's getting in the way, so I'm going to have to put it sideways so you can see the other images. Just got lots of awesome images. And here's the back of this one. It's got a really pretty pink to orange to yellow gradient. So beautiful. So we're going to go ahead, I'm going to zoom in, and we're going to test out some of these images, and I'm going to show you how well these stamp. They stamp so well, especially with the stamping polishes that she provided. So I'm going to go ahead and we're going to test out the white. Get the stamper and scraper. And we're going to do this cute little image with whales and kitties and stuff. And these nail polishes that are stamping polishes, they stamp so opaque, and they work awesome. Get closer, and you can see stamped amazingly. And this nail polish, or this stamper, needed no priming whatsoever, which is awesome. It works right out of the package. So there is that image. And these stamping polishes, if you've used Mundo de Uñas, you know that they kind of stink really bad. So these don't stink like that. These don't smell too bad at all. So the next image I want to play with is, let's try this floral image, and then we'll move on to the plate with the kitty cats on it. And when they open, I probably will be placing a sizable order with stamping polishes. Their stamping polishes worked amazingly. So, and here is the flowers with that hot pink stamping polish. And as you can tell, the polishes work amazing. And so does the stamping plate. So there is that. Okay, and now we're going to test out the plate with the kitty cats. And on my Instagram live video, I did this one right here with these little kitty cats here, but I want to try the paw prints with the purple just to see how well this does. The purple works amazingly, so I'm just going to get some on here. It's probably too much, but and there is the little paw prints. That is so adorable, you guys. So adorable. And I cannot believe how well that just stamped amazingly. So awesome. I'm going to do one more stamp, and then I will get into more details about these. And actually, I will have all of the information about all of this down below in the description box. Pricing and everything, I will get for sure information on the pricing and everything. That way you all have some ideas of how much it's going to cost for this, for the kits. Alright, we're going to do one more image, and I think I want to play with, let's do this one down here. There's two little kitty cats that are together. It's so cute. Oh my gosh, that is so adorable. So adorable. How cute are those two little kitty cats? I love that. So these plates and the polishes combined, they just work amazing along with the stamper and everything. So again, I wanted to mention, do not use pure acetone on these. She did give me some cleaning solution she's testing out right now to clean these plates. So I'm going to use some real quick to clean this, and I'll show you. And be sure to follow her on Instagram. I'm sure if it becomes available, like the cleaning solution, she'll make an announcement or something. But it does clean very well. It cleans off all the stamping, and it doesn't ruin the plates. That's the thing. You don't want to ruin your new plates. So if you need some cute stamping plates. They have all kinds of different designs to choose from. So again, all of this will be linked down below in the description. I hope you all enjoyed today's video. I do have a couple of nail art looks planned with these. I'll probably have the nail art looks posted in, I'd say, a couple days. Just because I need to sit down. I got some swatching to do, and I need to do nail art looks, and I gotta get caught up on everything. So I hope you all enjoyed today's video. Thank you all for watching, and I'm really excited about this stamping brand. I am so excited. I definitely am wanting to purchase some more stamping plates from them and stamping polishes, just because it all works so amazingly. And yeah, thank you all for watching, and I will see you all very soon with a nail care routine video.